Barbara Atewe. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided I was going to give you all a Halloween spooky glam, but also appropriate for fall. She's giving you the oranges, she's giving you the black, she's giving you the browns, you know, tie it all together. You got like the traditional Halloween color look, but it's also appropriate for fall like I mentioned before. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please just like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let's get started. Hello, I am back with another video for Halloween. Yay! Woo! We are going to be using 3 palettes today to achieve this look, along with other eye products, but the main focus are the 3 eyeshadow palettes. So the 3 palettes you'll be needing today for this look is the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, the Morphe 15H Happy Hour palette, and the Morphe 35M Boss Smooth palette. Okay, so we are going to start off with priming my lid, and to do that I'm going to be taking my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer in the shade C13. We're not going to use C12 this time, considering I don't think I need it to be that bright. Yeah, we'll use C13. To blend that out, I'm going to be taking my Morphe M173 brush. This brush is amazing. I think I want to get another one, but like use it for my face and see if I can like blend out my concealer with a brush, because I've been seeing people do that and it blows me. Like, how, sis, how? Okay, I'm gonna go into my Morphe 35M Boss Smooth palette, taking my e.l.f. blending eye brush, going into the shade Fired Up, and then I'm just gonna stamp that in the crease. I'm just going to build up the color first by packing it on, and then I'm just going to do windshield wiper motions. Then I'm going to take this fluffy brush from my Amazon brush set, and I'm going to go into my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Take me back, yeah, I know it. And I'm going to go into, what shade is it? This shade right here. Just going to swirl my brush lightly in that, and then I'm going to use that to diffuse the edges of the Fired Up shade. I'm going to take this dense fluffy brush on my Amazon brush set, and I am going to go into the shade Bottoms Up from the Morphe 15H palette. And then I'm just going to put that in my crease as well. It's going to be a gradual process. Next, I'm going to take this angled fluffy brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Red Carpet from the Morphe 35M Boss Smooth palette. I'm just going to stamp my brush in there, and then just apply it in the outer corner. Next, I'm going to take my Morphe M321 brush, and I'm going to go into my Morphe 35M Boss Smooth palette into the shade Sparks Fly. I'm just going to use that to deepen the crease and add a bit more dimension. Again, I'm just taking that dense fluffy brush from earlier, adding no extra product, and just making sure that everything is blended. So next, I'm going to take my Morphe M222 brush. We are going to go very dark now. I'm going to go into the shade Black Magic from the Morphe 35M palette. Just going to lightly apply that, dragging it out. And then bringing it through the crease as well. Again, I'm going to take that dense fluffy brush and use that to blend the edges. We're going to go a bit darker. I'm going to go back into Black Magic using my Morphe M149 brush, just for a bit more concentration. And I'm just applying it in the inner part, but not dragging it all the way out. And putting a bit in my crease as well. I'm going to take that Morphe M321 brush, cleaning it with my crayon case brush cleaner, making sure that there's no extra black on the brush. And I'm just going to buff the edges. Taking my Morphe M330 brush, adding no product, I'm just going to whisk that across the lid to make sure everything is seamless. Blending is key. Now I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution Concealer Define Full Coverage Concealer in the shade C12 this time. I'm going to use that to cut my crease. Taking my e.l.f. eyeliner brush. Taking my Morphe M124 brush, it's just like a flat shader brush. I'm going to spray it with some MAC Fix Plus. And I'm going to go into my box of crayons palette this time. And I'm going to go into shade Orange. And then that's going to be my lid color. Taking again my Morphe M149 brush, I'm going to go back to Black Magic. I'm going to use that to clean up the edges and kind of... Next I'm going to line my eyes, taking my Maybelline New York Eyestudio Gel Eyeliner in shade Blackest Black, applying it with my Sephora Mini Angled Liner brush. I'm going to be taking my Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Iguacu Dark 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fabulous. And I'm going to apply that with, if I could just find her right here, the e.l.f. foundation brush. I want that coverage today. And then to blend it out, I'm going to be taking my Real Techniques body sponge. Bringing it down my neck because my hair is pulled back. Up next, I'm going to be taking my Nars Creamy Radiant Concealer. I hate to doe foot, but whatever. I'm going to use the shade Amande and use that to conceal my face. Now I'm going to set my face. And to do that, I'm taking my Laura Mercier concoction, which is both shades of the loose setting powders, and then a little bit of the Colourpop setting powder for that tinge of yellow. To set my contour, I'm going to be taking my ItsMyRayeRaye by BH Cosmetics number 3 brush, going into my ItsMyRayeRaye by BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to go into the shade Brownie Bite, just to lightly set my contour. To buff away the excess powder on my face, I'm going to be taking my NYX No Filter Finishing Powder in the shade Cocoa, taking my Dollar Store Kabuki brush. We're going to jump back into the eyes, and for that I'm going to be going into my Sephora Retractable Waterproof Eyeliner in the shade Matte Black, and I'm just going to run that along my waterline. For a bit of contrast, I'm going to be taking my Silver Glitter Liner from Sally Beauty. It is, what is it? Bitsy Glitter Eyeliner in the shade Silver Lights. Just for a bit of contrast, I'm going to apply a little line under my wing and across the cut crease. We'll see. First I'm going to start off with under the wing to see if that'll be enough. going with the Morphe M149 brush. I cleaned it off of the crayon case brush cleaner. I'm gonna go into the shade Sparks Fly, which was the brown that we used, and I'm gonna use that to smoke out the outer part of my eye. Just the outer third. Next, I'm going to take this pencil brush from my Amazon brush set and I'm going to go into the shade Fired Up, which was the first shade that we used. And I'm just going to run that under and bring it all the way in. I'm just going to apply a little bit of warmth to my face, and I'm going to be taking my Fenty Beauty Sunstalker Instant Warmth Bronzer in the shade Mocha Mami. Next, we're going to jump into blush, and I think I'm going to be taking my Bretman Rock by Colourpop Super Shock Cheek Matte in the shade Stop It. It's peachy, so I feel like it'll tie in to the rest of the face. And to apply it, I'm going to be taking my ItsMyRayeRaye by BH Cosmetics No. 2 brush. Ooh. I'm going to go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit, and I'm going to go into the shade Lyra. Ooh, Jesus. This shade right here, and that's going to be my inner corner highlight. And to apply it, I'm going to be taking my Morphe M431 brush. Taking my BH Cosmetics liquid eyeliner, I'm just going to create a little, make it look like a cat eye effect. There we go. Period, love. Okay, so I'm gonna go into Lyra using my ItsMyRayeRaye by BH Cosmetics No. 5 brush lightly. I'm gonna use it as a highlight. There. So to set my face, I'm gonna be taking my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. To line my lips, I'm going to be taking my Colourpop, Shayla X Colourpop Lippie Pencil in the shade BFF4. What a surprise, I'm not using Molasses from Sephora. It's not deep enough of a brown. I'm going to go into my Sephora Rouge Gel Lip Liner in the shade Molasses. There we go. To fill in my lips, I'm going to be going into my NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Corset. Just gonna pop that in the center. For gloss, I'm going to be going into my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Ginger Snap. We're going to go back into the glitter liner, and I'm just going to outline my crease. Okay, remember, let's be careful. Alright, and this is the final look. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! You